So I've been seeing this blob effect just in designs and stuff that I've been researching, and I thought this is pretty cool. I want to learn how to do it. So figured out how to do it, and I thought, I think a lot, I guess. I would show you how to do this. So here we go. The blob effect. File, new. I want one artboard, and we're gonna hit create. Make sure that your appearance panel is open. So you'll go window and appearance if it's not on. Right from here, you're gonna switch your fill, make sure it's on top, and then take out any outlines. All right, so 2 circles. You're gonna select both of them, right click, make compound path. And then you're gonna go to effects, up here on top, click on path, offset path. Make sure the joins are round. And then you're gonna up the offset till they touch. It's pretty much like what I did. And then you're gonna hit OK. Go back to effect, path, offset path, apply new effect, joins round, and then from here, you're going to go to negative until you kind of get like this. So to me, it's more like how far you want to push it, like for it to disconnect. So that's good for me. So I'm gonna hit OK. And then now I'm gonna go get the direct select tool. And so I've noticed, like, when I try to select it all, there we go. Once I see the anchor, then if you see an anchor, then you select the middle, and then you can like move it around, and it can go inside. So that's how you do it. As you saw on the last one, you're able to do 3. So like if you're wanting like a multiple, I guess, elements to blob together, so I made 3 circles and then did those steps that I just did. And I thought it'd be fun to like make a mock logo with it. So that's what I did here. So for the appearance, the reason why I said to make sure your appearance panel was open is just because, like, when you really get into this and you're like playing around, maybe you didn't like the way you originally set your offsets. So in the appearance, you can hit offset and then you can adjust them. And so like if you wanted it to look a little different, you can do your offset, both your offset paths, the negative and the positive ones. So like if you wanted it to look just a little more wonky, and then you can do that with your appearance panel. So I know for me, like once I learned how to do it, and then it was fun to go and kind of switch things around.